how the turn-up is looking, guys. Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're doing a POV drive of the Roadmen Run 2.0, and we'll be going from Nairobi to Namanga. Namanga is the border to Kenya and Tanzania, so that's why we're going to. It's it's just a drive for the boys. This is the lineup we got. We got the Shiva E60. We got another Beamer over here looking good. That's a crazy spray paint. Yeah, damn it. We have Missy over here. We have what is this? I don't know what this car is, but it's looking good though. Looking good. So that's what we got going on. We got a few over here. We got a Subaru over there. We got a Porsche over there. We got a GTI over here. We have a Mazda Demio. It's just gonna be a run, you feel me? It's just gonna be easy. Sheesh. Have a GTI. Got my kicks. It's a good turn up, man. It's a good turn up. Can't complain, you feel me? Sheesh. We got another Beamer over here. You have a Mark X. Look at this. Oh my god. This is clean actually. This is clean. Has a wing as well. Carbon fiber. We have Joker over here sitting. This is actually a clean build, bro. We got the clear tail lights. As you can see, clear tail lights. Oh, this is one of the cleanest Mark X's I've seen in a while. You feel me? For sure, for sure. Look at that. We got Machete over here with the Infinity G37 swap. It's a G37 swap. It's on bags as well. You can see we got my fellow bagmates over here. God damn it. Machete on the floor. But yeah, man, that's Machete G37. It's a clean build. Look at the rims, bro. The wheels are crazy. It has the name Machete on it. I don't know if you can see. The center cap is written Machete. That's a clean build right there. We got a Subaru. We got a Maserati. Oh no, we got a Jaguar over here. Oh, Maserati. That wrap is clean, bro. It's forged carbon in purple, as you can see. Sheesh. We got a gap camera as well over here. It's looking good, looking good, looking good. I never seen a Jaguar like this before. And we got some more people pulling in. It's gonna be a good day, fam. It's gonna be a good day. So let's see what the day has in store for us. Cause god damn it, the lineup is looking good. We have another Mark X over here. It's looking dope, as you can see. This is what we got going on, guys. We got some more cars pulling in. Look at this. She actually looks really good next to Machete, because both of them are on bags, both of them are on the floor. So yeah, like crazy combo. We like twins. We bagged, man. Machete setup is looking so clean, bro. I think I need to get some silver rims, some silver wheels. People get mad when you call them rims. Need to get some silver wheels. But other than that, we're looking good, bro. The lineup is looking good. They want to do a quick briefing of the run so that everyone can know the rules, what to do, what not to do. Be safe, you know what I'm saying? It's not a race, guys. This is not a race. We're just going, driving, having fun as niggas, you know, you feel me? And ladies, if they're ladies, I don't know. So yeah, it's not a race. We're just having fun. That's it. That's about it. We're just having fun. Nothing too crazy, but the lineup is looking good, bro.
So, let's be very careful. To drive very safely.
Yes.
Keep a safe distance between cars. And of course, don't overtake blind spots. Be very cautious. Kuna portals places zingine, some cattle, animals in, alafu zile ma traffic stops as well. Don't drink and drive bana. Drink water peke. Body coolant peke.
We wanna start moving. Let me set you guys up. Let me actually, not a cold start. Just trash. So the run has officially started, and I think I need a Red Bull, guys. The time is currently 11:13 a.m. 11 a.m. in the morning. We were supposed to meet up. At 10 a.m. But yeah, here we are. 11:13. That's where we started. And let's see what the day has in store for us. But I desperately need a Red Bull because this coffee is not doing it. So currently we are at Kajiado County. Man, Kajiado is dry, bro. I thought people are like, you know, trolling and shit, but hey, Kajiado is really dry, bro. Like, it's just so dusty and shit, bro. Like, it's so dry, man. Why is it so dry over here? Why is it so dry over here, fam? It's just dust, bro. It's very dusty. But yeah, so far so good. Just a little bit of traffic. There's so much traffic, I don't understand why, but yeah. Supposed to have a stopover, but I don't know where the guys are. I really don't. The stopover was supposed to be at Shell. At least I've started catching up with some cars. front of us we have a BMW. What is it? It's a 530i, 533i. It's a 553i. I don't know, bro. One of those. Get rich or die trying. Hey. Look at the landscape, guys. Porsche is pushing, bro. That Porsche is pushing like a motherfucker. Sheesh. It's a Cayenne S. What is it? Oh, that would be a dope place to take some pictures. That would be a dope place to take some pictures. I just passed it, bro. We have some more cars in the front. We are just left behind a bit, but yeah, there's more cars in the front. We're actually supposed to be stopping somewhere. I don't know where, I'm just following the lead. I hate me rainbow bumps, bro. I really hate the rainbow bumps. So this is the first, we got the first stopover. As you can see, these are the cars. This Jaguar is actually sick, bro. I need to get me some Red Bull. If this Macax was on some air suspension, that would be dope, bro. So let me grab a Red Bull because I need a Red Bull, bro. So he secured Red Bulls, 2 of them. As you can see, this car is actually nice, bro. So yeah, this is how it's looking. Hi, how are you? Good. Thank you, man. What's your name? Jay. And you? Alright, bro. You good? This is actually a chill drive. I like this car actually. I really like it. I don't know what car it is. I ain't never seen it. It's crazy. I don't know what it is. Yo, bro, which car is this?
Renault.
Renault. I've never heard of it, bro.
Huh?
RS.
RS, yes.
It's a Japanese model. European. Damn, I've never seen it.
Hey, you have a nice ride.
Yeah. Thank you, man. It's cool, even the cluster and everything. I've never seen this car, bro.
It's a unique car.
I've never seen it. But one thing I've seemed to notice is we don't have female drivers, bro. Where are the female drivers at, bro? It's all men, fam. It's all men. We need some more. We need some female drivers over here, bro. Hey, spaceship. Where you at? Yeah, Lexi would have been wonderful here. So that's one thing I've noticed. We don't actually have female drivers on this run. So man, all the females that are here, they're all passenger princesses. So yeah, that's one thing I've noticed myself. But hey, so far so good. Look at this one, man. Sheesh, looking good. Whew, Masinde. Such a good run, guys. Hey. Stone chips are crazy, bro. The stone chips are crazy. This Red Bull really came in handy. Cause you know Red Bull gives you wings, bro. You feel me? Look at the landscape. I don't know if you guys can see. God damn, look at all that. So beautiful. Oh my god, I think that car just lost the lift, man. This guy is pushing, gang. I swear to God. So the road is very uneven, so I'm just trying to ride safe as well. It's so uneven, bro. Like some places you just go and just dip. Again, guys, I have to remind you, we are not racing, we are just driving, you feel me, just having fun. We're not racing. Sounds like a jet, bro. That shit sounds like a missile, my nigga. I should have put this drive height, bro. This drive height is so comfortable. What? What? That nigga just busted his tire, thing. That nigga just busted his tire. Yeah, that nigga just busted his tire, gang. Yo! Yo! I told you guys. Don't believe it, guys. We are like 20 minutes away from Namanga. This one felt quite short. So all the other guys are there. We are late to the party because that guy had a puncture, bro. So we are at our second stopover. Looking good. I'm thinking of taking some pictures over here, so let me put her there and let me try to take some good pictures. So we've just arrived at this LTV rooftop or something, I don't know. So we've just arrived here. As you can see, the lineup is looking good. So we're about to step inside and have some food. So as you can see, we have the I Love Namanga sign over there. Rooftop lounge, it's crazy. You got it going on. Sheesh. So it's looking good. This is the place you got going on. It's good vibes. Sheesh. Look at this. Looks so good, bro. You have an outdoor place with swimming pool. God damn it. Sheesh. This place looks good, and we have mountains all over there. It's quite a view, guys. We got a pool. Feel me? We have nyama choma over here. We have nyama choma. We have that. We have that. But recently, I ate some nyama choma and they didn't go so well for me. So I'm not gonna be eating nyama choma again for a while. Cause hey, my stomach was not in a good place, bro. I was very friendly with the toilet. So this is the vibe we got going on. It's quite good, bro. And the weather is so good for this as well. So you see. I ordered myself some food. We got some dry fried goat. We got some drinks going on, some shisha going on. You feel me? There we go. There we go. So this the feed of the day we got going on. Some custom pants, graphic tee. We got some balaclava. We got some diamond chain. We got a Casio watch in gold. This is real gold actually, bro. Casio. You know, none too crazy, none too crazy. This is what we got going on. We got Missy over here. If you did enjoy this one, make sure to hit a sub, like, share to your friends, you know what I'm saying? Road to 5K. No, actually, road to 10K, you feel me? So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video now. I hope you did enjoy this one, guys. And I'll see you on the next POV drive. Come on.